What is up, everybody? Welcome to All Things Young Justice. And today we will be doing an ultimate poster breakdown of the new Young Justice Phantoms poster. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we will see from the top there's a writing Max Original, which means HBO Max. That means that it will be streaming in HBO Max as we all knew it. And there in the top left, we could see a planet. Seems like it's New Genesis because of its purple stuff. And there's like a moon on the planet, then there's another tiny planet, which I do not know. I'm so sorry for that. Alright, now we get to the top right. There's some crystals kind of things right there. Seems like, in my opinion, it could be a lot of things like maybe it could be the Red Lantern Corps and the Yellow Lantern Corps. Since we all know there has been a huge absence for the lanterns in this Young Justice series, let's go to the characters. So seems like on top, obviously, their fearless leader, Nightwing. There we have Nightwing, and we have Rocket and Zatanna, McGann, and Connor Kent, aka Miss Martian, and Superboy, and we have Artemis, Tigress, still rocking the Tigress, and Calderam, which is now known as Aquaman. So let's get to their costumes. Let's just start off with those who are staying rocking the same costumes since season 3. So we see here that Rocket and Zatanna pretty much hasn't changed anything since season 1 to season 3. So pretty much they're still rocking the same costume. And we can see that Connor using his classic black Superman t-shirt with the S symbol in the middle, and his classic jeans that he always uses wherever he goes. And we can see Artemis is still in the Tigress form. She is still known as Tigress probably. And we can see Calderam still using the Aquaman costume. And as I zoom in into this picture of what he's wielding in his hand, seems like to me it is the old weapon that he used in season 1 of Young Justice. It is just what I'm predicting. I do not know. Sorry if I got it wrong. But good, we can see a major change in Miss Martian, because you can finally see that she finally has her hair when she is in her Martian form. Because usually in the season 3, when she's on her Martian form, she will be bald. Simply, in my opinion, I do not like it because it will look very weird, literally. So now finally there's hair again, and the hair is finally long, just like in season 1, instead of the season 2 where it's short, kinda like. And everything else seems the same, except if we zoom in right there into Connor and McGann, seems like in the middle they're holding their hands, and I can see the engagement ring that Connor gave to McGann in season 3 episode 1. Now let's get to the fearless leader Nightwing, which is in the middle. Seems like he's hopping out of a boom tube right there. The team seems like they are just hopping out from a boom tube. Let's get to Nightwing's costume. So in season 2 and season 3, as you guys will know, that Nightwing doesn't have those blue stings in his chest and arms. He will only have it in his chest, his like bird symbol, something like that. And now we can see that the blue parts are spread out. There's like some in the chest, then some in the arms as well, and we can see there's some pockets in his costume as well. So we all know how he got all his a million utilities. And that's pretty much for Nightwing. I think he had a haircut in between seasons. Yep. So yes, that's all we'll know for the characters. And we can see beside them there's Earth and Mars, obviously. So there might be a crisis on Mars, since it will said that there will be an action or scene taking place in Mars. There might be a crisis and the heroes might go there to solve it. And now we can see all this like glowing balls with different colors, since producer Greg Weisman said that Halo will take a huge part in this 4th season. So I'm predicting that these are the colors of Halo's aura, from like rainbow colors. I think these are the auras in all the season 3 episodes when she was discovering her powers. Yes, that's pretty much it for all these glowing balls. That's all I've known. And going to the bottom of the poster, we can see it's DC, Young Justice, Phantoms. So there you can see new season streaming soon in HBO Max. First of all, obviously there will be no release date in this poster because the release date will probably be announced in Young Justice fandom. So don't miss it, everybody. Young Justice fandom link in the description. You know it's gonna happen in October 16. Don't know where you are from, but it's gonna happen in October 16. Don't miss it. Mark your calendars, set your alarms, prepare your snacks and drinks for that 8-hour marathon. I think so, I do not know. But that will all conclude for our poster breakdown. So make sure ready yourself for this epic Young Justice season comeback finally.